3, candy corn makes a weird sound. All right, quest 3, lights and sounds. So this character, candy corn, loves anything that lights up and makes noises. So they need your students to do the following. Create a program that lights up a splat or splats and makes a sound or sounds. It can be any color lights, any number of lights, any sound or sounds. And you're going to be using some, but not all, of the blocks that Trudy had you prepare in the last quest. So in case you are very short on time and you decide to skip quest number 2, the next slide will show you all the blocks you'll need for this activity. So these are all the blocks that we dragged out onto our screen, and students will use some, but not all of them, to complete quest number 3.
Joanne, would you like me to show what I would do for this particular quest?
Oh, yes, please.
All right, let's hop back into our coaching screen. So we just need coming back to the slide, we just need to have our splat light up and make a sound. So when I'm gonna do this, I'm always gonna look at my starting blocks because I'm gonna need one of those. Otherwise my computer's not gonna see my code. So let's start off with our light splat, or when splat press block. I'm gonna drag up my light splat block. It's also with a 1. I like the random one, so I'm gonna change it to random. And I'm gonna snap in my sound block. Animal sounds, my favorite. And I'm gonna go with the cat. So now when I press on splat 1, it should light up a random color and meow every time I press on it.
And your students might come up with a totally different code. They might have several blocks light up different lights and play different sounds. They might have it on a loop using the repeat. They might randomize it. They might start making it very complicated or very sophisticated. It's totally up to them. You can keep it sweet and simple or really add to it if you want to.
Here's how I would use the random block. So when I press on spot 1, a different one will randomly light up. Okay, I'm done.
It's like a club for cats. All right, and that was the 3rd quest. We left it open-ended because we really want to see what students do with the blocks that they have in front of them. So I think it's time for a snack. Enjoy this amazing gourmet candy corn, just one. That's all you need. It's pure candy, pure sugar, pure magic.